Dax79 here. Got a new baby to play with. Got this here. This one's a Molus G60 combo kit. Now, I've had one of these before. I've had just the light. And this one here is the combo kit, so it comes with some extra bits. So, shall we have a look inside it, shall we? Now, let's see, how does it open? We've got, looks like a little case. Oh, a little soft box, mini soft box. That'd be cool. Oh, the mount adapter. Excellent. Oh, right, let's have a look. Shall we start here? Oh, this is nice. See, when I got my light, I thought it came in the case like this. So, when it didn't have the case, I was a bit gutted. Nice, isn't it? Little case. Let's open it up. See what we got. Oh, there we go. Got your light. Got your power pack. Power line. Little baby tripod. And these little bags, I've been using them to put the packs in. I think that's right, but I don't actually know what these little bags are for, but I think it's right. And then you can hang them on your tripod. You've got your instructions and your little bag of do not eat stuff. These little module lights are really nice. Now, I wouldn't go as far as to say I would be using these for a big film set, as it were. They are very small. They're about £250, £300. So you could get the small rig stuff. But I am liking these. I am really liking them. You loose it there. It comes down like so. Here's the cone for the front. There, look at that. You put the front on it, more like that. So, we've got lots of cable, about 2-3 meters of cable there, and then got another meter. What I'll do is I'll just pop on its little legs for a minute, show you what it looks like. If I plug it in here, you use your switch on top, turns it on. So you got your dimmer, shut off. You can turn it all the way up. Have it really, really bright if you want it. You've also got your temperature. You can go right down. It's warm. There you go. Nice, isn't it? Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, sweet, eh? This is so cute. Now my friend Ruben, he's got a big one of these. It's so cute. There you go. Should we put it on the front? It is so look how little it all is. It's like a Kinder Egg toy. I'm trying to work out how to clip it all together. There you go, and then I guess you've got to take the hashes off. You've got your honeycomb. That'll just pop in the front there, I guess. Let's have a look. Well, this is definitely a good little kit for you going on holiday, isn't it? Actually, have a little look. You ready? Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Liking that. Gotta work out how do I, so you pull it down to clip it on. I'm not too sure how you, instructions. How do, here we go. I mean, if I was to, there you go. A little clip there. Close it down on itself. It's got a method. Oh, nifty. That's gonna get lost on set, isn't it? So see what else we've got in here. Ooh, look at this. That's nice, eh? Hey, what's that? Look at that. That's feels really heavy duty. Let's have a look. There you go. Take that little tripod piece off. Okay, so this is better. There we go. So we've got the adapter here for the larger pieces. Now, my larger bits for this are actually somewhere else, so I can't put that on now. But we've got the piece here, and it's very good. And then to let it out, there you go, it's inside. Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? Well, that can actually stay in. Well, all I can say is it's very cute. I'm gonna have this as my filming light when I do my videos. There you go. Zhiyun, the little 60-watt little micro lights. I really like them. Now I've got two, so that's really good. And I've got the soft box now, so having a soft box is really good. And then what I'll do is I'll use these for future videos. What is really also nice is the fact that this one came in a case. So all in all, I've got to say, I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5 because I really like them. They're nice and small, they're really good. I can add my larger parts to them with this, with the adapter. Very good. So all in all, Dax79 is very happy. I'm gonna put my instructions into my bag. There we go. Dax79, very happy. Go and buy some.